Hello friends, Regina Cruz Morales here with Keller Williams Elite Partners 3 Realty, and today I'm with Tracy from P3, which is located in Lake Louisa State Park here in Clermont, Florida. So Tracy's going to explain a little bit about glamping here in the state park.
Hi, so we offer glamorous camping, which is glamping, in our state park, and we have sister parks that offer the same things too, but this is my favorite park. So these are carefree, so literally all you have to bring you and what you would like to cook over our fire pit or our grill, and everything else is provided. So as you come in, we have everything that you need for comforts of camping. All of our glamping sites are set up with a queen size bed, sitting area. We have a coffee maker, air condition or heat, and a fan depending on the time of year.